Okay, in this tutorial I will demonstrate how you can download over the internet a section of recorded video. So to do that, based on our previous demonstration of showing a preview or a playback of we'll show a utility coming in through a gate, we'll go find that one again and we'll download it to your local computer. So to do so, we're back into the playback section here. We're on the same date, which happens to be today. You can pick another day there that you want to go back and preview, of course, but we're just using today's date. We'll zoom in so you can get a better display of per minute on the timeline. I'm just going to move this along until we find where our action was. And then we've got one there, and this is a little bit later in the day. This one here again shows another one. We can actually quickly display to see what this one was about. This is obviously another one by the looks of it, where it's come through camera 1 onto camera 2, and then back out camera 2, back out camera 1. So it's obviously another vehicle of some sort. At the moment it's already come through this one, and there it goes up there. So it's more of a truck that's going through. So I'll just pause that there, and we'll go back and find our previous one that we had. That's around about 9 o'clock, where it is here. So here it is right here. This is the one we was looking at earlier. So if you want to download this section for later viewing from your local computer, there's a couple of ways we can do this. So the first thing to do is to look at the time that this was. A couple of ways you can do this is if you put the mouse over top, it'll actually show you the time down there. It's very small. Another way you can do it is to click on this this little section here, which actually will create these little arrows. Now, when you click on it, this arrow might be over this side. Just bring it into the section you want. So let's say around about there, and we'll grab this one, which is around about there. So we want more or less that section. And if you have a look up here now, that'll give you the time. So it was between 9:29 and 15 seconds and 9:29 and 48 seconds in the morning. So that's obviously with the yellow part there, it was motion detection, and that's showing both cameras. Well, that's on camera 1 there, that's on camera 2. Now what we can do here is we want to, the MVR will actually record 5-minute blocks, because recording and downloading over the internet are quite big files. So this is the way I prefer that it's done, and it's a lot easier as well. Is if you click on file list here, just remember those times. So we've got 9:29 through to say about 9:30 there. So we'll click on file list. That'll give you a quick file list there. This is in 10-minute increments. When you have this, it will be in 5-minute increments. But what we want to do after click file list is go to more. That'll bring up this option, and in here we've got quite a few different things. So we can put in the times we want. 09:29 to 09:30. We'll leave that as that. And we're on all channels. We'll go all records at the moment and search. And this will bring up the recording at around about that time. So in here you can see the motion detection ones and the times they were. So they're already being detected for you. So that's 9:29 20 seconds through to 9:42 and 42 seconds, and same with camera 2. Well, it's camera 1 there, sorry, and it's up to 46 seconds. So if you wanted to, you can select both these, and this will then download both those recordings that were on those motion detections that we viewed earlier. And you can have a look at the file size here. So we've got 12 meg and a 10 meg file. So for this demonstration purpose, we'll download those two files. But if you wanted to, and you wanted to just download a block of time, you could actually download this 10-minute block here, which is 9:20 to 9:30, or 9:29 29 seconds. And that'll, but as you can see there, that's nearly 300 meg. That's a very big download to be downloading over the mobile data. Another way you can do it is download by time. If you click on download by time here, in this section, and then we put the time in that we wanted. So it was 09:29, and let's say about 10 seconds, and we'll go to 09:29, and it's about 50 seconds. And then it's got here, download the local. We've got channel. Now the thing is, you download a channel at a time here. So you download either camera 1 or camera 2, and you click on download local, and that'll download that one and that particular time. But we'll go back to download by file just to download these two motion detected sections here. The reason I like to go to this section to download files is it gives you an option here of what file format. The DAV format doesn't play on most media players. It needs a special downloader media player to be able to play that format. If you download an ASF file, you can play it on some media players, and as you'll see shortly, I'll play it on a media player that I can help you download. So all we do here is save it as ASF, and it'll save it to you this path here, recorded download. You can change the path you want to download it to by clicking browse and save it to a different file location on your computer. Once you've got that, just click OK. Okay, now the problem we've got here, it come up with that download failed. That's a quick fix. The reason that's happened is because we've still got these video channels open. So all we have to do here is press stop. It turns off the preview plane. We'll go back to more over here. They're still ticked here, and then click download the local again. Click on ASF. Click OK. Now you can see that there's a percentage here, and this will now download over the internet. Depending on your speed again is how fast this will download, but it's also determined on the upload speed at the site. The site for this remote camera system it hasn't got the best mobile data reception, so it's a little bit slow, but overall it's not too bad. So just allow this a bit of time to upload. Okay, as you can see, that's complete now, and then download complete will pop up in the corner. And now that's downloaded to the folder that it originally said it's going to download to. So we will go over to that folder now. Right, now if you go to the file where it's been recorded, default is your C drive recorded download. Now you can see NVR channel 1, NVR channel 2. These are the two that we have downloaded. So if you look at channel 1, which is this one here, now this opens up in VLC Media Player. I'll actually open it with Windows Media Player, which is common to most Microsoft systems, just to show that it will play on this. So as you can see here now, this is just a recording download that we've done. And this is now recorded on your computer for future viewing. So we can close that one off, and same here. So this is channel 2, which was the one in the car park that we was just viewing. Go through there, and then we can, you can pause or bring it back up a little bit. Now this is just on media players. Obviously you can use it on other software to be able then to zoom in a bit further, because they're a higher resolution camera, to get a better viewing, or look at look at images a little bit closer up, or take a snapshot photo, etc. The video cameras will have the date on there, date and time, as well as the camera location. Obviously this one is just called Alverson Gate. Some other options on the actual download page is that you can download the substream as well, which is a much lower resolution, but you can actually download a full 10-minute block here, as you can see, at 60 meg. 60 meg size, and you can download 10 minutes. It's a lot lower resolution, but it may be something you want to download to get a longer display time of video. And then there might be a small section of a minute that you'd like to then download at a high resolution.